Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest stable version of the Brave web browser, version 1.30, is now rolling out. It started rolling out yesterday on the 28th of September 2021, and I received my update today on the 29th in my region of the world. This also means now that we have been bumped up from version 1.29 to 1.30 in this latest release. Now, this latest update and version update to the browser carries a few add-ons, some improvements, and bug fixes, and also we have also now been upgraded from Chromium version 93 to 94 in this latest update to the Brave browser. Now, just to mention some of the key highlights in this latest version update, and the first is if we head up to our menu in the top right, click on Settings, and then on the left, just click on Search Engine. You will see that there has been a new setting that has been added under Search Engine, and that is Index Other Search Engines automatically indexes websites that follow the Open Search spec. This is off by default, and if you want to use this new feature, you can just toggle that on. And basically what Open Search is it's a web standard that makes browsers aware of an underlying search engine on a website. And how Open Search works is basically the Open Search standard defines the way the web page should tell the browser how to interact with the search engine. So that's a little new Index Other Search Engines that's been added to your search engines menu in this latest release. And then another little highlight is that if you are using Mac OS and Linux and are using the private window with Tor in the Brave browser, there's now an ability to disable Tor through using the admin policy on Mac OS and Linux. So if you're a Mac OS and Linux user, you can now disable this using that admin policy. And then another add-on, which I actually couldn't get to work, is allow Brave to handle searches from Windows, Shell, and Cortana. This is a new little add-on to version 1.30, and it says here, even when Brave is the default browser, the user may still find themselves unintentionally using Microsoft Edge. This is because searches from the Start menu and elsewhere in Windows open search results in Microsoft Edge, and that's basically a default setting in Windows. Now, how they say you get this to work is you set Brave as your default browser on Windows 10. You press the Windows key, or you can also do this through search. Type Brave deviations from Chromium, press Enter, and they say the expected result is results are opened in Brave if Brave is the default browser. Now, I tried this numerous times and I actually couldn't get this to work. So maybe you'll have a bit of better luck to be able to allow Brave to handle searches from Windows, Shell, and Cortana. And then another little highlight is there's been improvements to the disconnected Brave Rewards wallet options. So if you just click on the wallet verified in your rewards, disconnect from Brave Rewards, that has received some minor improvements as well. And then the ad blocking in the Brave web browser, which comes by default, is a default feature in the Brave browser. The default standard ad blocking has been updated to generally allow first-party requests. So that's a little bit of an update there, a security update as well. And then if you'd like to see if you have the latest version, we just head up to the menu again in the top right. We click on About Brave, and the latest version is 1.30.86, and the latest Chromium version is 94.0.4606.61, and that's exactly the same Chromium version as the Google Chrome web browser. Now, if you want to see what's new in this, the release notes, what's new in this latest version, we just click on that version, and this takes us to the release notes, and I have mentioned a couple of these already. You have your add-ons that I have mentioned, some of those, some improvements which I have mentioned, and then some bug fixes, and then upgraded to Chromium 94.4606.61. And this is actually quite an important update to the Chromium engine, which Brave is based on, because the 0.61 point release on the end actually carries a very important security fix to a security flaw that had already been exploited in the wild, which means it's active. So it's good to check it up to date, especially to make sure you are running the latest Chromium version in this latest release to the Brave web browser. So that's more or less what's new in the Brave browser. As I say, that first one added the ability to Brave to handle searches from Windows Shell and Cortana. I couldn't get that to work, but as I say, maybe you'll have a little bit of better luck with that feature. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.